Welcome to Versus 42. You are a powerful summoner, taking on your rival in a deathmatch. This is a dueling card game, played on a randomized field, with randomized decks. Your goal is to eliminate all of your opponent's cards. Beginners start with a hand of 3. Each card is a unique creature, which has 4 characteristics. A strength level, from 1 to 7. An energy type, light or dark. 1 active ability. This one is on demand, which means that you can decide when to use it. 1 passive ability. This one is automatic, which means that it's continuous and triggers by itself. Now let's play. We have the blue tile, therefore our opponent starts. Each turn, a player has 4 actions. 1 summon, 1 flip, 1 move, and 1 activate. They summon. The Alchemist. Her passive is: you have unlimited summon actions. They summon again. They move. And summon again. Our opponent is done. Our turn to play. Let's summon. The Fairy. Her passive is: destroy all recto cards on black areas. This is automatic. Now, let's use a flip action to reveal a Verso card. Let's activate our card's ability. Teleport 1 recto light card to any area, targeting herself, toward our enemy's area. This triggers a battle. We are on a white area. Light cards get a +1 strength bonus. The succubus is destroyed and immediately absorbed. Finally, let's move to our opponent's backline. This is considered a direct attack. Our opponent must discard once. Here are the basics of this game. Now you can already get started. For more details, please check the manual. Thank you for watching.